Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to read Instagram message without the scene receipt being shown. This is done with no downloads, no different applications, no jailbreak or anything like that. Just your Instagram application is the only thing you need to do this. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm basically just going to send a message from one of my accounts to another one of my accounts just to show you guys how to do it. But obviously through your perspective, it's just going to be the one account you're going to be using and the other message is going to be from someone else. So just don't get too confused with that. But I will show you guys how to do it. All you have to do is open up your Instagram application, and what you're going to want to do is what I'm going to do for this video is I'm going to send myself a message. So you're not going to be doing any of this. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and send my account the message. So I'm just going to say test in the message just for the tutorial's purpose. And now all you want to do is, this is the portion you're going to be doing. You're going to head over to your Instagram account and you're going to go to your DMs and then just choose a DM that you don't want to show seen to. So all you have to do before you open the message is you're just going to want to disable your Wi-Fi and your cellular connection just to make sure there's no connection to the internet at all. And then you're going to go ahead and open the message. You can read the message. Once you're done, you want to exit out of here and you want to directly log out of your Instagram account. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So this is all done with the internet and Wi-Fi off, just to point that out. So you need to ensure you have the internet and Wi-Fi off before you open the message, or else it will not work. So I'm just going to log out really quickly of my Instagram account. And then once you're logged out of the account, you can go ahead and you can close the Instagram application. So I'll go ahead and close the application. And then all you want to do is you want to reactivate your cellular and Wi-Fi connection and open up the Instagram application again. And then you're just going to want to relog into your account. So I'll go ahead and relog into my account. And then you're going to go to your DMs and you'll notice the message is still closed and not opened. And I will go back to my other account and I'll show you guys that it does not say seen or anything like that on this account either. So it says sent just now, but does not show seen. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to read DMs on Instagram without the seen notification. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.